Madam, shall we get the recording also of this? Hello.
Yes. We will have recording of all the sessions.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, there is some glitch actually. The WhatsApp group is no longer available right now. So I guess it might be related unintentionally. So are some issues or something. So you will be able to see your group soon. Right? So
Okay.
no
Thanks
worries
for that.
about that. Right. Again, we'll wait for 2 to 3 minutes more. Right? Then we will start.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Recording will be there for all the days.
Do you also share that with the participants?
Sorry.
Do you also share?
Yes. In the group, you will be able to access all the recordings. It will be provided to you. Okay. So good evening to everyone. Please tell me, is my voice clear to everyone, or there any background noise or something?
That's
Yeah,
clear.
it's
It's clear.
audible.
It's perfect. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
It's
No,
loud
ma'am,
and
it's
clear.
not clear. Actually, some background voice is there, like and some noise is
Some
there.
background voice is there. Just wait for a minute. Now, please tell me, is any background noise coming?
Yes, ma'am. Still, it's there.
Clear?
Voice is echoing. There's an
Okay.
echo in your voice.
So, hi everyone, myself Nancy Dilawar from Team Digital Dronacharya. So, like Digital Dronacharya is an institute where we are providing digital marketing courses to each and every person, like whether it's a corporate person or a business person or even students from last 7 years. And we have been collaborated with MSME again for the last 6 to 7 years, and Like if I'm talking about myself, I am from like non-technical background. Like I have completed my studies in commerce field, right? So there is no tech background, but somehow like in my graduation days I started feel like my interest is in digital marketing. So from my second year I am into this field. And yes, now it's been more than 7 years like I'm working in this field and teaching, we have taught more than 20,000 plus students till now. So this is something all about me. And from this introduction I just want to tell you one thing: if you are from technical background or non-technical background, there is nothing, right? You must have capability to learn anything, then you can learn. And digital marketing, like that course that is uh, build accordingly in these 3 weeks just to refine your skills as a digital marketer. So this is something that is very easy to learn, easy to use. And we will have more than like mostly practical sessions we will cover. So all things that will be completed in these 3 weeks, at the end of these 3 weeks you will be enough capable to have internships, or even you can start your earning. So this is the motive of our 3 weeks. So the one request from you all guys is that like be interactive and bring out your doubts if you have, and just try to focus whatever we're gonna teach in these 3 weeks. So this is the only motive of this 3 week session. Like some of you tried something and bring out something unique in your life, and somehow it these 3 weeks will help you in your field. So this is the only motive. Any other doubt to anyone related to all these 3 weeks, or shall we start?
Just one doubt actually. I'm getting this message for the WhatsApp. Delete the
Yes.
group for me. Actually, I joined the group.
Yeah, yeah. Now it's been deleted. Yeah, it's been removed.
Okay, so
Actually, what happened? There is some glitch or something in that WhatsApp group. So for some technical reasons, it's been no longer available. But you will be in the group soon. So no worries about that.
okay, so after this meeting, I will delete the group, and then tomorrow I will get the new Zoom session link.
Yes, it will be circulated to you soon by mail, na? So no worries about that.
Okay, 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 okay.
Yes,
Thank you, Nancy.
Uh, I have a question. Would
yes.
there be material that is, see, for example, there would be some steps. In my case, I'm completely a non-IT background person. So if there are some steps like, for example, in Instagram page or something, whatever it is on a social media platform,
See, we have
would
many
there
more
be
things. Yeah.
would there be any material or anything that we can go through?
Basically, what happened, you will be provided by all day recordings, and we will teach you one by one step, and like practically, fully
No,
practically sessions will be there. So
madam,
there would be no
I know,
notes.
I understand when you say practically. See,
Yes.
sometimes we will miss it out. So, is there some written format which we can see and then, go through step by step? But you are saying the recordings will be available. Okay, fair enough.
Actually what happened now, whenever we gonna cover practical things, there can't be any notes related to that. How you can
Okay,
bring out notes, like go to the left section and then it is very difficult to have that now. You
okay,
will be
okay,
able to understand each and everything in practical, and recordings will be there, because
okay,
it's next to impossible to have notes about that. But for sure
okay.
I'll we will try to teach you each and everything, and we will ask you to bring out your notes to write some
Yeah,
important
books.
points or
Yeah,
something.
that's there
Yes.
ready with us. Okay, thank
Okay.
you. Thank you.
Perfect. So yes, I have given my introduction, who am I, and like from MSME team and with in the collaboration of Digital Dronacharya. Today we will cover basic thing, that is designing, graphic designing. Basically, we will cover. So what happen whenever someone talk about graphic designing? What comes in your mind? Like any design that is representable in graphical form. Yes. uh,
Yeah.
I guess all of you have seen the hoardings and the banners in the streets and the pamphlets distribution and all those things that is related to traditional marketing. So what happens, like in graphical form, people are promoting their brand, their business by putting their banners on street lights or in some by having distribution of that pamphlets or something. So again, if we talk about like in digital marketing, what happens, there is a lot of difference between traditional and digital marketing. Digital marketing means promotion of any business, any product, any service. There is a one request to all participants, please mute yourself. Right, if you have any doubt, then you can bring out your doubts in chat section only. Right, thank you so much everyone. Yes. So basically, what is digital marketing is, uh, actually, I'm just going to share my screen. So there is no requirement to show my camera or something. I'm just sharing my screen. Give me a minute. I'm just giving you, yes, actually, my name is only visible right now. I'll share my screen. Uh, Now, can you see my screen? Here I'm talking about the digital marketing. Like whenever I'm talking about the digital marketing, what happens, the promotion of any brand, any product, any business, or even we can say any person as well. Right, if I feel like I want to get famous on digital world, so I can be promoted, but through different digital channels and technologies, right? So social media can be used or something. So this is what is digital marketing. And if we talk about the digital marketing, one thing that comes in our mind is something, promotion of anything in graphical form comes under graphic designing, right? So we will learn how to create graphics through simple tool. Here I'm talking about the most simplest and the easiest, or even we can say the number one best tool for graphic designing. That is Canva, Canva. So first of all, I just want to know how many of you have heard about Canva before or ever used it? Heard about it? Using it, I'm using, heard, basic use basically. So there is a mix of all. Like some of you have heard, some of you have used it before, or you are using it. Right now, is it visible to all my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
perfect
we're able
now.
to see it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically what happens, I'm just going to share you all the things from zero to advanced. We will cover Canva from scratch to advanced only. So if you have heard or you have used, so no worries, we will cover each and every hacks or strategies, like Photoshop user can create graphics. Basically there is a myth between the Canva user and the Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator users. People basically thinks Canva user can't create appealing graphics or quality graphics. So what happens, basically the Canva users don't know there are many apps integrated or many AI things are integrated, which can help ultimately to create best graphic from Canva in seconds, where Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator will take lot of time to create that poster, and from Canva we can start creation in within seconds, and we can complete in like 30 seconds or 15 seconds. Matlab, in seconds basically you can create, because in Canva we have lot of templates to use. We have simplest options to redesign or edit basically. So right now I'm just clicking on canva.com. So here there is a request to each and every person. Don't try it right now. Just watch out my screen only. Just watch out my screen. I'll give you time to sign up, to log in, or to have a quick revision about whatever we will cover. So don't worry about that. I'll give you time for that. Right now you just need to watch out my screen only. This is a request to each and everyone. No, actually, this is a website and app. Both are available. You can just simply go to Google and write canva.com, and you can use it in browser only. Or if you want to download any app in your laptop, in your mobile phone even, then you can use. So both options are there, right? So here I'm just excluding the process of sign up. You can just simply go to Google and write canva.com. You just need to click on sign up with Google, and by any of your Gmail account you can create your account over Canva simply. So here I'm just talking about the dashboard only. Here you can see one search box is given where you can search anything. Anything means, like, for example, I just want to create uh, say Diwali poster. So I can just simply write the word Diwali here. Once I will click on this enter button, lot of Diwali templates will be there. Right here you can see I just have written the keyword Diwali. Just wait. Here we have lot of Diwali templates, but in different sizes. One thing that you need to notice here is all the templates are in different size. Some is in presentation form, some is in square, some is in like 4:5 ratios. So according to sizes, lot of templates are there, but the keyword is Diwali, so all the templates are related to Diwali only, right? So right now I'm just deleting this Diwali keyword. Again coming back to home from here, right? And for example, I just want to create any Facebook post, right? If I'm talking about the any Facebook post, so I have written the keyword only Facebook post here. Once I'll click on the enter button, here you can see the size is fixed here because the Facebook post is in prefix size, like everyone uses Facebook, and the size of that Facebook post is universal to each and everyone, like it's fixed basically. So here you can see we have the same size, but the content is different because we have specified only the size here, like that is Facebook post. So we have multiple categories, accordingly we can choose, right? Or even we can take blank one. So this is something that you need to understand. Here is the in the search box you can write the exact category on which you want to create your poster, or even you can simply write out the exact size, like you want to create Facebook post story, where you are not mentioning what kind of poster you want to create, like related to independence, Diwali, promotional, digital marketing related. So there is difference. And even you can see we have multiple option that is given below, like Instagram post square. You can just simply click because the sizes are different. Post size is different than reel. Then we have sheet option, we can create sheet. Then we have doc one. Whiteboard is there. Presentations, like you can create multiple presentations. We have social media. Once you will click on it, you will be able to see each and every social media will be templates will be there, like Facebook, Insta, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Twitter, etc, etc. And photo editor option. Under video you will be able to see like YouTube video, vertical videos. Then we have printable sections, under which you can have the logos, flyers, or all those things that can be printed. Then under which like website section is also there, under which we can create websites. And then we have one more thing. You need to just keep your eye on my screen only. Custom size option, which means once you will click on this custom size, here you have some you just want to create a customized poster. The size is not fixed, you just want to take the customized size. So accordingly you can write uh, just take an example. You can write 800 into 1200, like width is 800, and the height is 1200, and we have some prefixed units like pixels, inch, millimeter and centimeter. Accordingly you can select and you can simply click on create new design. So this is something that can be used when you don't have any idea. You just have width and height, then you can start. Then after we have upload, for example you have some photo and you just want to uh, make changes in that photo only, and you want to place some things over that image, then you can just simply upload anything and then you can start designing. So this is something that is given, like from where you can search anything. This is what basically you need to explore, like how you can bring out the templates that are given here. So right now I'm just taking Instagram post square, right? This is what you have to take once you will try it out. Right now you have to just watch out my screen. Right now I'm just clicking on Instagram post square. Once you will click on it, you will be able to see like new tab will be opened and many more options will be there. We have to understand each and everything. Still there is any background noise or something?
No,
Yes,
ma'am. No,
yes, the
ma'am. No,
recording will
ma'am.
be shared. Okay,
No.
perfect. uh okay, so basically what happens now, again you have to just keep your eye on my screen. Here you can see the sizes given, like square size is there, the blank template is there, and from the left section you can see many more points are there. First is design. Firstly we have to understand what is design is all about. Here you can see again the search box is there, where you can search anything, like you just want to create anything. This is like premium templates for you. Here you can just scroll it down and you can see multiple templates are given. So here I'm just taking the example of food poster. For example, here I'm taking food. So I have written the keyword food. Related to food, many more templates are there. I can select anyone. Right now I'm just taking this one. You just need to click on this. Once you will click on any template that is designed here, you can see this is being taken, and after that you can see one option will be there, template style, which means the color combination that is being used in this template and the font that's been used. So basically once you will click on it, you can see exact color combinations are being used in this. Here we have one shuffle option. Once you will click on it, the colors will shuffle. We have limited changes, as you can see. The outline was white, right now it is in orange color, so it's been shuffling whatever it can be shuffled. Now dark red is there, again white one is there. So this is something that can be shuffled, like by single click you can shuffle which color can be taken where. So by clicking on this back button, again you can see the same thing. Again you can switch any other template. Again you want to search food, and right now you feel you just want to replace it with this one, so you can replace accordingly. Right now I'm taking this again, that can be taken, right? So first option is all about the taking or selecting the template. Right now I have taken this. Now what happened, we have to understand each and every element related to this template only first. Here you can see multiple layers were there, like one circle image is there. You can have an idea about the layers by selecting each and everything, like selection outline will be there. All these text are differently taken. So this is what, as you can see, many more templates, many more layers have been used in this. So I'm just taking it from background. Once I'll click on the background, so you can see the whole page is being selected, so it means I have selected the background. Like according to the outline you can have idea ki what kind of element you have selected. So I'm just talking about the background. From here you can see whole selection is there. So complete uh, outline is there, right? Then we have delete button, like by whatever element you gonna select, outline will be there, and one white line will be there in the above section like this, where you will get lot of options to make changes in the selected item only. If I've selected the background, so all these options are related to the background only. If I'm going to change the color, if I'm going to delete, so background changes will happen. If I'm going to delete this one, so as you can see, background it's been deleted. For example, I have deleted this background mistakenly. I just want to take it back. So we have shortcut keys for undo and redo. I guess you all are aware about this. And like this is a thing that you have to keep in your mind in every class, everyone. Like, take your notebook in your hand. Anytime like we can ask you to write this or that, so you must have your short notebook and a pen with you each and every time in each classes, so you can just simply write each and everything that we are explaining. So canva.com is a tool for graphic designing, you can just write it down. Then secondly, I'm talking about the shortcut keys. So if you have an idea, it's good. If you don't, then you can write. So for undo, we have control Z for undo and control Y for redo. So, or even you can see two arrows will be there in this blue line. From here we can go to undo, that is control plus Z. From here we can go for redo, control Y or control shift Z, both will work. Right, then we have edit option. Once you will click on this edit button, again all those options will be there in the left section. First option is there for adjust. Once you will click on it, here you can see you can increase the brightness of the photo, basically contrast, highlights, all those are simple options where you can just increase the temperature or something, right? Then we have many more options, but all those are for pro users only. We are going to learn each and every tool in these 3 weeks free only. Only free tools will be taught to you. We will give you some ideas how to use in free or something, but we will not ask you to take any pro or something. So all those tools we're gonna cover in these 3 weeks will be totally free, right? So we don't gonna use all this Magic Studio now. Scrolling it down, here we can see many more filters options are there where you can apply filter. Then we have many more things that we're gonna cover in each classes day by day. So here I'm just talking about the edit one, where you can edit and you can watch out all those options that is given in the left section by your side as well. Then next we have BG remover, again where you can see the crown icon, which means that is only for the pro users, so we can't use this BG remover. Then we have crop option. Once you will crop, so it means it is easily understandable, like this image is in rectangle shape, so we have taken this part, like this part or this part from the rectangle image, so it can be taken like this. Clicking on done button again, and we have flip option where you can flip like horizontally and vertically. Then we have background color. Here the background color is black. Once you will change the color, here you can see the shadow is being changed, like there is black color, so black shadow is there. When once you will click on another color, so the shadow is being changed here. So this is something uh, it's been taken in like preset template, like the background color was black, so I have changed into the purple one. So even once you will scroll down, you can see lot of color options will be there, default gradient colors or something. Again we have one more option, that is add a new color. Once you will click on this add a new color, then we have two options. Just watch it carefully. I have just clicked on this color button, right? Here we have many more colors, but I just want to take the color of my own choice, so I need to come on this add a new color button that is given in the above section only. Once I click on this, I can see two options, solid color and gradient. So what is solid color is all about a single color, right? Here we have multi-color line. For example, I just want to take a blue color, then I can just simply take out the blue, and from this above dot I can just change like the light blue color or the darkened one. So this is something that you have to use by this circle, and by this circle you can manage the color. And under the below section you can see the color code option is there. If you have any color code, then you can just simply paste. And then the next option is pick a color, which means from the whole screen. If I'm talking about the whole screen, from this color picker option you can pick out any color from the whole screen. You just need to click on this. For example, I just want to take that green color that is given here, right? I guess it's visible to all. You just need to take that color picker, and the exact square that is given in the middle in the color picker, you just need to take that, and you just need to click on that. So exact color that is been taken by this color picker. For example, I just want to take this exact red color. The darker or the light, every shades will be visible to you by having color picker. So no worries, you just need to click exact color. So from the whole screen you can take any color from this color picker one, right? Then the second option, so this is something we are discussing about the solid color only, which means a single color. If I'm talking about the second one, that is gradient.
Right inside. Just put it in one cover. Distance.
See, please mute yourself, whosoever is not muted right now.
Hi, Miss Nancy. I had a question.
Yes.
Uh, why are we not studying about the Pro Canva as well? Because I
Actually,
use
yes, I'm
Canva.
coming to that.
Yeah, because
We are learning Canva free, because for having Canva Pro, you need to
Itself, no?
purchase
but
that.
my point being, Miss Nancy, I have been using Canva forever now, and
Sorry.
I have been using Canva for a very long time now.
Okay.
And I was thinking that I will get to know the pro areas as well, because whenever I am trying to make something, which I come from a design background,
Okay.
whenever I am trying to make something, then most of the templates, most of the tools
At
that I can
Pro,
use
yes, yes,
are
yes.
in pro.
So basically, see, we have how many participants we have in this class? 120. So I'm just taking the course, right? The curriculum from zero to advanced for each students, right? So I can't just take it directly to pro. I
No, no,
have to.
I am not saying that. I was just asking if
Yes, yes,
we
yes.
will be doing it
Replying to
later
that
on.
only. Just wait for a minute. So, in first class, I'm talking about the free only. In second class, I'll teach you about the pro things as well, and many more apps will be integrated in this. So,
Oh, great.
what happened? Not in second class. In this whole 3 weeks, we're gonna learn each and every day new tools, new app integration. By the end of 3 weeks, we will be on Canva only. Like for some things, not for the whole sessions. For some things we have to come on Canva again and again, and this is how we will cover all those pro things as well. In this
Okay.
today's class only we are covering Canva free, and in the coming session as well I'll give you one idea for you. Like, have you used Canva Pro or purchased?
I have used Canva Pro, but the Canva Pro I was using was under subscription of the company I was working with.
Okay, okay, okay. You are using for that. So I'll give you an idea, or I'll give you hack, like from the person I'm just using the Canva Pro. So he is giving like Canva Pro 400 for a year, which is nothing. Like if I'm talking about the
Yes,
upgrade
yes.
version or something. So there is hack. Like I'll give you that person numbers to each and everyone. Those who want to purchase, only those like for whom I'm just going to share it, and we will cover all those things as well. No
Thank
worries
you.
about that.
Thank you, Miss Nancy. This really helped. I think you can continue
Yes,
now.
yes. Welcome, welcome. See, be patient, because we have to take it from zero to advanced now. So it will take some days, like when you feel like,
Okay.
yes, this is what I need to learn or something. So no worries. In this class, we will talk about only basic things. But yes, in each and every class we will try some of the hacks or some of the strategies should be there in the class, so that it is suitable to each and every student, like there is something in the class. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, so
Thank you.
coming back to the topic, yes. Yeah, second one was gradient. Okay, so what is gradient? Gradient is something, the combination of more than one color or two color. This is gradient. So basically, in solid color, we have taken that this red color, maroon color basically. And once I have clicked on this gradient one, you can see one pink color. It's already been added, but it's not that you have to use this pink. For example, you want to take a gradient of red and yellow, so you can just simply click on this pink one and you can switch the color. Like from here, you can take any of the yellow color, right? And again, you can see we can add more than two as well. So here I'm just taking the two colors only, and below section you can see the styles ones are there, where you can see the style, like which color is on the which side. So this is something that we can use by clicking on this plus color. You will be able to see solid color and the gradient one. So this is all about this background color. Then we have transparency option, which means the image that is like a wooden table, it's been taken in the background. So that image is in transparency of 60. So you can increase the transparency or you can decrease the transparency. So this is something, once you will decrease lot of transparency, so image will be less visible and the color will be more visible. And you will increase the transparency, so color will be less visible and image will be more visible. So this is something that can be managed by this transparency button. If you are going to reduce the transparency of image, then background color will be more visible, so vice versa it can be there. And then we have animate option. So right now I'm just leaving the animate option because in the video editing class we're gonna learn this animate one. Then we have position. Once you will click on the position, again two options will be there, arrange and the layers one. Arrange means like you want to take any we have multiple layers, right? So you want to take any element that is hidden, you just want to take it out. So you can see, watch out the layers, each and every layer will be visible to you. And you can just take any layer. For example, this is the back end circle that is in peach color. If I'm just taking it to, sorry, if I'm just taking it to the up of the image, like I have taken it to the up, so basically the position is being changed. Now this is visible and it's been hidden. So for that reason I just need to take it to the upward so that it can be arranged. So from position section, basically you can watch out all the layers that's been used in that template and you can manage basically. So this is something that we have learned about the background only. If I'm talking about the text, right now you can see the text is selected, the word burritos is written there. Done. So basically what happened, I have selected this text. First option is given, that is about font. Like you can just simply change the font. I guess it's visible to all. And now you can see, if like I have changed the font, right now the word OS is taken in the second line, so I can just take it in the first line only by having this line. I guess it's visible to all. I'm just sorry. Right now I guess it's visible to all. The one white line, vertical white line is given in both sections. I just need to drag it out to take OS word with the inclusion of. So this is something that can be used to take in like different lines or in single line. And four circle is also visible here. So by dragging this four circle, the size can be increased by squeezing it out, or in the size can be changed, or otherwise you can simply use this decrease font size or increase font size, or even you can type. Then we have text color. Once you will click on text color, again options are there. Right now, one thing that is visible to all, there is no option to add the gradient here. So it means like Canva will not give you the option to change the color into gradient one. So only single color can be added. Once you will click on the add new color, so there is nothing like that we have learned about the background like solid color or gradient. Only single thing is there, that is solid color in the case of text only. Then we have bold one. Once you will click on bold, the content can be bold and unbold. By clicking or unclicking, you can do all these things. Then we have strike through uppercase. By clicking on that AA, you can just keep all the text in uppercase. Then we have alignment. Like if you are taking any paragraph or something, then alignment option will be visible, I guess. Yes. Then we have list one. Under list we have only two options. First one is about dot one. If you are going to use any point or something, highlight points or something, and by second click you have 1 2 3 option. Then we have spacing. This is something that you need to understand carefully. By spacing option, what happened, let two options will be there. Once you will increase the space between the letters, so you can see the space between the each and every letter like B U R, it's been increased. This is how it can be reduced. Then we have line spacing. For line spacing, I need to take this paragraph just to show how line spacing work. So right now you can see the content is written in 3 lines. So if I want to increase the space between these 3 lines, so it can be increased and it can also be decreased. So this is something that can be used by selection of the font basically, because some of the fonts are congested itself, so you have to manage the space by line spacing option. Then we have advanced formatting. Then we can use all these things, like if you want to use this kind of a square or a root or something, so all those general and typography options are visible to you. Then we have transparency. If you want to add any kind of watermark to whole image, so it can be used just to transparent the word, like this is less visible. Then we have effects one. This is also interesting, just to highlight anything, highlight your content, you can use this effects one. So we have multiple styles like none, shadow, outline. This can also be done just to highlight your work. Here I've selected the outline one, and the color of the outline is been taken the darker yellow. I'm just taking the purple just to highlight, just to show you how it works. So it can be increased by increasing the thickness or something. So this is all about the effects, where you can apply such kind of effects to the whole. Here I'm taking the black one so that it can be particularly visible. Once you will scroll down, then we have under shape option none and ABC, like curve one. So none means like nothing happens. By clicking on the curve button, so this is how your content can be in curved position. And again, once you will scroll down, you can increase the density, or you can take it to the upward and downward. So this is the main thing that you can use. Here I'm just clicking back to none one, right? So this is all about the template we have taken from the design section. So you just need to take one of the template from design, and you have to click on each and everything, and this white line will give you lot of options just to make changes in that element only that you have selected. So this is the main thing that you have to cover till now. I'll give you 5 minutes just to explore, like till the point that I have discussed. Then after I'll tell you about this elements text in something, right? And till that, when can we practice? Yes, right now I'm just giving you the time for practice. Audio is too low. So basically, right now you have 5 minutes just to explore all those things. And right now you can bring out your doubts if you have related to anything, because in the middle, like, it is inconvenient for all the participants. So right now you can bring out the doubts. Please show the grid on sheet once again. Grid on sheet means like the selected outline you are talking about. Which grid you are talking, Alokji? Colors grid. Okay, okay, coming back to the colors grid. See, this is, once you will click on the background color, it can also be seen like this. But when you want to have the color of your own choice, then you need to click on this add a new color. Then we have solid color and gradient. By solid color you can take one color, all those options are there. And then we have gradient one, under which you can add more than one basically. This is how it can be seen. And we have multiple styles related to that. Now tell me, will you tell about YouTube channel and video editor later in this course? See, I'm just sharing it again and again. Whatever the curriculum you got, I guess in mail, you got the curriculum about the whole course, about these 3 weeks. We will cover each and everything. And by the end of the 3 weeks, you can say, like, we will cover more than this, whatever we have written. So basically, no worries about the course. We have given the curriculum.
Excuse,
We
ma'am.
will try to cover more than this.
Excuse, ma'am. Excuse, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, we can't edit, we can't retype or we can't change the wordings in that page.
No, no, we can change. Once you will click on this, for example, in special menu, I just want to write burger, for example. So you just need to select the previous one and you just need to write your own. This is the thing that you have to do. Are we learning Photoshop as it mentioned? No. Actually, we will not cover Photoshop. There is a slash between the Photoshop just to give you an idea about what is Photoshop and what is Canva all about. We don't gonna learn. We will try to cover all those features and hacks and strategies and the apps basically that will help you to create a poster as like Photoshop. Yes, one
Uh-huh.
more
Can
Now,
doubt.
you let us
yeah.
know which saving formats are more beneficial,
Yes, yes,
JPEG or PNG?
I'm coming to your doubt only. To which format will this template will be saved? And which one has more advantages? So basically, Raghunandan ji, I'm coming to the topic like how you can download, or then I'll explain about your doubt only.
Okay. So
Yes,
I have
Nisha.
one query. Yeah. So
Yes,
this is regarding the templates. When we started, you said we have lot of different social media links, right? Like Insta is there
yes,
and
yes.
something. Yeah. Even whiteboard you mentioned, but I can't see those in my free
What you
channel.
can't see?
Yeah. I can see Insta post is there, but I can't see whiteboard and those all. Yeah.
See, I guess this is not visible to you. This kind of dashboard.
Yeah, yeah. Those are not available.
So there might be some glitch or something. So you if you, can you see this search box?
Yeah, I can see. Even I can see Insta post, okay? But I can't see other one which you mentioned, which are here. I can
Whiteboard,
see
right?
yeah.
You can just simply write whiteboard in search section if you want to search. So there is something like that is that can be different in different persons. So there might be glitch
Or
or
is
something.
it available only with the paid one?
No, no, there is nothing about the paid or something.
Ma'am, can we change the image? Can we alter the image?
Yes, 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 Nishant. I'm coming to your doubt as well. I just need to change this one, but yes, I'll after 5 minutes. I'm going to teach you about this only. Just give me a minute because I can't take all those things in one go. So I we have to take a break of 5 seconds, 5 minutes basically. So after that, I'm coming to that only. Till that, you just need to cover whatever we have learned till now. Aisha, what happened? Like you have just opened this thing. Here you can't see the Instagram post square or something. You just need to write in the search box. Then you can able to see.
Yeah, I can see now. I'll just check. I can see now. Yeah, thanks.
Yes, yes, perfect. See, actually, I have muted myself because I have just given you the time to have quick revision about that. Done practice, Aniruddha? Okay,
Yes, change the background and the font type also.
done. I guess it's enough because we have many more things to cover.
Yes, yes.
So, yeah, at the end, you can come out with your doubt if you feel have any. Now, again, come back to my screen only. Just leave your screen, come to my screen only. Right, so we have covered, like, from design section you can take any of the template like this, and by clicking on each and every element you will be able to see one white line under which you can see all those options that can be used to just make changes in that selected item only. Right, okay. Now, coming to this element one, just click to this element one. We have many more things, like this is just for the recently used only. So by scrolling it down you can see shapes. So it means you can have you can see this see all button on all these elements. If I'm going to click on this see all button, we have lines, shapes, and many more things. So for example, I just want to highlight this 30% off. I just want to place one circle behind this. So I'm just taking a one circle, and this is how it can be taken, and it can also be reduced and something, and the color can also be changed by clicking on this edit button. You can edit, like, you have done anything, you have done all those things, but right now you feel you want to change, then you can change. Oh, sorry, just wait. And if you want to delete any element, you just need to click on that. You will be able to see the delete button, or even you can press the backspace button from your. See, I have selected this one. Once you will click on the edit button, right now you feel you just want to change the shape. So you can just simply change, and you can manage the shape as well according to the size, according to the font or something. Right. Then we have the color option as well. You can just simply, I guess it's correctly visible to us. Once you will click on the color button, again we have solid color or gradient one. So you can take many more colors just to highlight. Right now I'm just taking this blue one just to highlight this. Then we have stroke style. Then we have, like, you want to add a border, so it can be added. Like I've taken a stroke style of only 3. Then we have stroke color, like yellow color or in white color. You just want to add the outline. Then we have corners. Like right now you can see the sharp edges are there, sharp corners are there, but you want to somehow round that corner, so it can be rounded like this. And here you can see sides are given, like 6 sides are there. Now you feel you want to convert it into 8 sides, so you just need to click on 8 sides, and this is how you can manage the sides of that shape that you have taken. And one thing that you can see, font and all those options are available, which means under the shape one, you will be able, once you will click in between, you can see the cursor and you can write anything over your text box. Right now it's not visible because it's in black color, that is not visible. So this is something that can be edited. Like it's already been written like 30% off, so right now I have just taken one shape just to highlight this one. But directly you can take any of the shape and you can write over that, because one cursor is already available over that shape, right? And you can just simply select that. You can change the font color, size, and the same thing that we have talked about the font one. So from here we have learned how you can take any shape. So right now again I'm just deleting this one. Then we have graphics one. You can add many more graphics, stickers, photos, frames. Again, frames are also given, grades, videos, and many more things. So for again, you just want to add items related to food, so you can just specify the keyword. You just need to write anything related to this keyword only. You can see all graphic, photo, video, frames, many more things, just directly coming to graphics. So graphics are something that can be used without background, like all those things can be visible, but all those are without background. Right now I'm just clicking on this one, so here you can see it's been there without background. So graphics can be used like this. And here you can see the option is also there just to change the color. So this can also be changed like this. Black is also visible, so I'm just taking the black one, right? So this is the graphic section is all about. Then I'm coming to photos, and right now you can see photos are something that is complete photo with background or with everything. Right now I just want to switch this with burger, because I have taken the burger, so I'm just switching the keyword from food to burger. Once you will click on the burger button, for example I need to take this. What you need to do, you just need to drag this one and hold and take it to the another frame. Actually what happened, there is one circle frame over which that previous image has been fixed. So right now you just want to change, you just need to drag and place your cursor over that image. Once it's been edited, you just need to release your cursor. So this is something that you can be, by dragging you can just simply switch the image. And this can also be done like you have clicked on this. Once you will click on any image, it's been taken in the middle, and by this thing you can change. And again you need to add in this circle, again you need to drag and drop. So this is something that you need to do by having photos from the element section. You just need to drag and drop it on the previous image. And many more things that you can do by simply clicking on it. You can, sorry, so sorry, you can just simply take any of the image like this. But now you can see it's not looking good. You have to take it in shapes or frames, basically not in shapes, in frames. Then you need to take it from frames. Here I'm just deleting. It's already been there in this template, a frame is there, so we have switched basically. Then we have videos one. In the video editing part we will talk about this videos one. Then we have frames, there is nothing related to this keyword only. Then we have audio related to this keyword, how many audios are there, many more things we have. So we have to understand, like from again element section you can add any shape, line, graphic, photos, videos, any table, any frame, or anything. So we have talked about the shape under which we can add the color and we can write over there. And if I'm talking about the frame, if you will click on this see all button, we have many more frames. So it's already been taken in this circle, the previous image, so that's why we have just drag and drop and the image is being changed. Right now I just want to take any image in this star, just take an example. Right now like this, I just want to add this frame here and want to add other image in it. So coming back, taking this previous image, I need to just drag and take it to the this frame, and this is how it's been edited in the frame. But right now it's not visible because the edges are not clear, so for that reason I can add the stroke style, under which we can add the stroke weight, right, and the color. Right now I'm just taking this yellow, or even we can add the white just to highlight this one. I guess it's visible to everyone and it's clear to everyone what this element is all about. Now tell me, is there any doubt about elements? Can we replace images used in template? Yes, I have told about that. Is Canva available on MS Windows? uh, Basically it's available for like there is app or website that is available for Canva. You can just simply go to Google and write, and even you can download the Canva app, and it's available for all MS Windows or something. Can we import image? Yes, Nishant, coming to that. What about custom images? Coming to that, please repeat elements. Basically what happened, once you will click on element button, you have many more things. Like you can add any kind of line, shape, graphic, frame, videos, or many more things. So you just need to come to the element section and you have to write any keyword. Like we have taken the food one. If I'm selecting food one, by clicking on this graphic section, you can add such graphics, you can add such photos, right? So keyword can also be written. And once you will scroll down, you can see shapes options are there. The one that I have told about this 30% off, and then we have the frames one, in which I have edited this image, grades, videos, and many more things that you have to like understand by yourself, because I have just told, I have given you the idea what is all about, and the important things I've already told you by taking it in the center and how it works basically. So the rest part you have to cover by yourself, because I have just given the idea. You can watch out the recordings and you can bring out your queries clearly in the next class if again you feel like you don't understand this. Can we import image from gallery? Yes, coming to that. Ma'am, what was edu at the right bottom of that photo element? Yes, edu from this photo element. See, this edu you are talking about, basically I have the pro account. Like I have Canva Pro account, and I have taken the that Pro under education. So that's why it's been saying like this is only for the Pro users, but right now it's available to me because I have taken the Canva education plan. So that's why it's showing Edu. Can I add images which is in my gallery? Yes, coming to that. So right now I guess it's clear to everyone how you can add many more things from element section only. Now coming to the third one, that is text. Once you will click on this text one, as we have taken the previous template, right now I just want to add like book now or something, or any other text to this. So we have to take text box. From this text section you can add a text box, you can add a heading, you can add a subheading, or you can add a paragraph as well. So from this you can add anything. This is how it can be taken. I just for example, I just need to write the yummy word here. So I have just taken this keyword and I just want to add, say, this yummy word here just to show it. So it can also be taken by clicking on this add button, and this is how it can also be clearly visible. Uh, 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 right now I'm just taking this. changing the font just to show it in the good way. And this is how I have just taken this text box from the text section, right? But once you will scroll down, you can see many more things related to this. Font combinations are there. What is font combinations here? Basically, all those fonts have been taken. Like here you can see our brand story. If you feel like you just want to take this like the exact full template that is given in the design section, we have many more templates for the text as well. So all those text templates are available, text combinations are available. You can just simply take it as it is, and you can just make changes according to you as well. There is nothing like you have to use it as it is. You can change accordingly. For example, this one I feel like it's good, so I've just taken this right now. See, I'm just deleting this 30% off right now just to have some space for this. So I have taken this one, but right now I feel I just want to change, like get your delicious burger. For example, I just want to write this. So I have just written get your delicious instead of behind r, and get your delicious, and in the replacement of brand I just want to write burger. So it's been taken. So there is nothing like you have to use it as it is. All those font combinations are given just to make your work easy. Like you, by single click you can take it in your page and you can use. But again, there is no compulsion like you have to use in same color and same font. All those options are again visible to you. You can change the font, you can change the size, color or something. So basically all those font combinations are given just to make your work easy only. There is nothing compulsion about the font that you have to use it as it is. You can make changes in this font combinations as well, right? Next option we have is brand. Under brand, you can see this is only for the Canva Pro, where Canva Pro users can create a brand kit. Brand kits are something like for a single brand, some font combinations and some color combinations are being used. So they can just simply create their color palette. Like this font combinations can be used in each and every posters. So this is only for the pro users. Just avoid this. Now, next option we have is upload. From the upload section, you can upload your own image, your own video, or even your own audio as well. Once you will click on this upload file, your files can be taken from your gallery. You can upload anything, right? So here I've just taken this PPTC logo, so it can be taken or can placed anywhere on your screen, right? So we have covered the design, from where we can take the templates. From the elements we can take the line, graphics, photos, frames, videos, anything. From the text section we can add text box to our screen. Then we have uploads, from where you can upload your own image, video and audio. Again, whose mic is open right now? Can you please mute yourself? See, now come to the queries. Like, is there any queries related to anything? You are teaching very well. Thank you so much.
Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much.
I have a query. I tried to install this on my phone as an app, but I don't see certain
See,
the type.
you are using in your phone, right?
Yeah.
Basically what happens here, I'm talking about the options that is available on the browser or on the laptop basically. And on the mobile app you can see some different things, but not the different things. Basically what happens now, there is a limited space in mobile app, so that's why all the options are hidden. You just need to click on that and you have to just bring out that options out from that hidden thing, so that it can be visible. Like right now I can't teach you how it can be bring out, but this is something that you have to understand. All options will be same. There is nothing difference in mobile app or the laptop
Ma'am, that's
drag
right,
over.
but the entire section that you had just discussed, I was trying to look
See,
into
basically what happens
the
now,
elements
like
section. There, nothing is visible.
yeah, coming to that, if you have opened the Canva app in your mobile phone, so you can see the search box from where you can take any of the template. Once you have selected the template, so this thing that can be visible to you in middle, and all those options that is given in the left side, you can see in the bottom section in your mobile phone. This is the main thing that you can see.
Yes, I can see. I have.
Yes, so
I
you can see the design elements on all those things, and one arrow will be there like this. Arrow will be there from you can swipe it out and you can just go for it. Once you will click on any element, again all those options will be visible to you in the bottom section only.
I
And
have been
again you
doing
have
that.
to
I'm sorry.
see.
I'm still continuously doing it, and I've clicked one of the elements, but still I'm getting the options like replace, select, adjust, and BG magic. All those are available. But if I want
Yes,
to
yes.
see about the design elements, text, exactly, I'm not.
Okay. Yes. So what happened now? Like all those options are visible to you. You can see one back button will be there. You just need to back, and then again you will be able to see all those options. One back button will be visible to in front.
Uh, do you mean to say it should be on the apps? Sorry, the phone back button.
No. I'm not talking about the phone back button. Like
Okay,
just
I got
clicking.
it. You're right.
Got
I
it?
got it. Found it.
Got it?
Fine. Fine.
Perfect.
Thanks a lot.
Okay. Please tell me about grouping and ungrouping. Yes, I'm coming to grouping and ungrouping. Then I'll teach you about like how you can download and all those about like formats we will talk about. Uh, Grouping and ungrouping. I need to. Are you using paid version right now? I'm using paid version. You have to work over the free one only. Will you be teaching us logo designing? Yes, in coming classes we will learn logo designing, but still lot of difference, ma'am. I'm using in PC. Again there is lot of difference, no? Yes, recorded session will be shared to you in the group by morning, I guess. Right. Coming to the grouping and ungrouping part, what happens basically from this text section we have taken all of such combinations. Here I can see where two text boxes are being grouped, and we can see ungroup option is also there, which means if I'm moving this text box, all those two boxes are ungrouped or are grouped basically, and it's been moved simultaneously. If I'm clicking on this ungroup button and again come back to this, right now you can see it's been ungrouped and it's been moved differently, like separately it can be moved. And again I just want to make it in group, just to make it like in group so that it can be moved simultaneously. So what I need to do, you just need to take your cursor here, just click on the left button of your mouse. By clicking on the left button of your mouse, and by right hand you have to just drag the mouse and drag which element you want to get in group. Basically, for example, right now you can see special menu is in different box and burger is in different box. Right now I just want to group these two boxes. So you need to just select one text boxes, sharing you the new thing. You need to just click on this more button. By clicking on this more button, select option should be there. See, this is the simplest way you have to understand. See, it's been taken simultaneously. You just need to take your cursor like this. Just click on the left button of your mouse, and by the right hand you have to just select basically which thing that you want to take in group. So I've just taken this, and by clicking on this group button, it can be grouped, it can be taken together. Now tell me, is it clear to everyone how we can group and ungroup? Can the Canva app be downloaded from Google Play Store? Yes, it can be downloaded.
No, ma'am, it's not clear. Can you please explain once again, grouping?
Sorry, your voice is not clear.
Yeah, it's not clear to me. Can you please explain again how to
Group
group?
and ungroup thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, coming back. So basically what happened, again ungrouping, like it's very easy to ungroup anything. Like once you will click on any element, you can see this ungroup button. You just need to click on that and you can see like it's been ungrouped, like it's been separated. When you need to group any element, so you just need to take your cursor like this, just beyond like all those dog text. You need to press the left button of your mouse from your left hand, right? Press the left button of your mouse from the left hand, and from the right hand you just need to drag and select which which element you want to get grouped, and just release that cursor. Then you can see the group option will be there. Once you will click on group button, it's been grouped. I'm just giving you 5 seconds just to do this practically in your own screen. Just do this practically, how it can be grouped. You just need to take your cursor like this. Don't select any element. Don't select any element. Just press on the left button of your mouse from your left hand, and from the right hand you have to just drag and select which element you want to get in grouped. Now tell me, is it clear? No. Locking and unlocking are different. Grouping and ungrouping are something where you just want to, move some of the elements together or separately. That is
Yes,
all about
I
grouping
can.
and
Yeah.
ungrouping. Once you
Yeah,
will click on, yes.
I can do.
Locking
Yeah.
and
Thanks.
unlocking are something where you just want to lock any position. For example, if I'm selecting this, right, it's been selected because it's in middle, but I don't want it to get selected, so I can just simply lock this position. See, this position can't be changed. This position can't be changed until and unless I need to unlock this, right? So this is, there is difference. Now tell me, is it clear to everyone? Shall we move to the part how we can download this poster?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's the same procedure we should take to group everything that is presented on that page.
Yes, exactly. This is the main thing
The
that you have
photos,
to
logos, and
understand.
all available in that page now, ma'am.
Yeah.
Same,
Right now,
same
what I'm
procedure is
doing,
being
I'm just
taken to group.
selecting this two text. But if you
Okay,
want to select all those elements, you have to select all those things. It can be grouped like this.
okay. Thank you.
Got it? Perfect. Done. Now moving ahead, basically what happens, right now I have just filled all the data in this single image only, so avoid the designing part. It's not looking good because all the things have been stuffed into this single and it's looking so congested, and somehow it's not looking good, right? It's been taken here and again it's looking not good. But one thing that you have to understand here is, right now we have taken Instagram post square, right? And it's we have worked in this single page only, but now I feel, for example, I have a doubt, like I need to take yellow color or green color. Just take an example. I am in doubt कि this poster is looking more appealing in yellow color or green color. So I just want to have an idea. For that, you can just simply do one thing. You can see the duplicate page option is there. What is duplicate page means? Like you just want to duplicate this exact page. Once you will click on it, you can see page 1 and page 2. Is it visible to you? Right? And if you want to delete, right now you can do one thing. Now you can change the color from yellow to green, that I have taken the example, right? So this is the thing that you can do, and you can see which one is looking better, and you can delete the pages. And this is all about duplicating the same page. But Right now I just want to add one more page, and with a different template I just want to work. So what happened, you can see one add page button is also available at the bottom. You just need to click on the add page button, and this is how you can see the blank page will be there. Color will be the same as we have taken in the page one. So you just need to click on that and press on delete button or backspace button, so the blank page will be there. And by clicking on the design section, you can take one of the next template in the page 2, and we have previous design in page 1, we have next design in page 2, and this is how you can add many more pages, like more than one pages can be added, and you can start designing differently on different pages, right? And this is the option from where you can rename the file. For example, you just want to rename this food post, so all the food posts uh, have been prepared in this page only, so you can rename this, right? Then if I'm talking about the downloading the any of the page, so what happened, you just need to click on this share button. Once you will click on this share button, you can see one thing, that is download, right? Once you will click on download, first option is all about the file type. What is file type is, we have many more things to discuss. First one is JPG. Basically JPG is a file format. It's a small file size format basically. There is a reduced MB size available, so your file can be downloaded in just take an example 64 KB or something. So it can be reduced if you're gonna select in JPG. So it is something, a small file size format. It is best for sharing. But right now you can see PNG is suggested. Why? Because it is best for complex images and the illustration, it's being shown here. But PNG is the best format when you are going to download any poster from Canva. Always try to use PNG, because JPG is a small file size format, so somehow it will reduce the quality of your poster. So we have to always keep in our mind, if we want our image or poster to get downloaded in PNG in single photo format, then you need to choose PNG. It is best. And if you want to download that image in PDF standard or PDF print, like you have created some kind of presentation, then you need to go for PDF standard. And for example, I just want to download all those pages, like page 1, page 2, page 3. Just take an example, I have created 10 different posters for food in single only. So I want to download all those 10 posters in one PDF, then I need to go for PDF standard, then all the 10 posters can be downloaded in PDF format. Then we have PDF print, which means if I'm just going to share this file to get print, then always try to go for printing one, that is PDF print. Then we have SVG, it is only for the pro user, which means it is best for web designs and animations. Like if you have used any kind of animations or website designing, then this format can be used. Then we have MP4 video. When we are going to cover the video editing one class, then we talk about the MP4 video, in which like video can be downloaded. Then we have GIF, like you have used any kind of GIF where no sound, only short clip is there, then you can go for it. Then we have PPTX1, Microsoft PowerPoint document, that can be opened in PowerPoint as well. So all those formats are available. If you want to get downloaded in PDF, then you need to choose PDF standard always, until and unless you want to download it, or you want to get it print basically. Otherwise, always try to use PNG, right? It's all about the file type. You don't need to use this because it's only for the pro users. Then we have select pages, because we have worked over the 3 pages right now. So obviously we have to select which page we want to get download. If I'm going to download all these 3, so a zip folder will be there, under which all those 3 images will be there. A zip folder, a folder where all these 3 images, it's been integrated in one destination basically. So just take an example, I just want to download only page 2, not 1 or not 3. So you just need to select current page 2, because I have my cursor on this page 2 only. So I just need to select current page 2. Only page 2 is been selected, right? You need to click on done button and click on this download button. It's been automatically be downloaded in your files, right? It will take few minutes, then it will get downloaded. And one more
Ma'am,
thing. Yes.
Nancy ma'am,
Yes.
sorry to interrupt you, ma'am. Actually, Kadir sir has called me. He said that to tell all the participants that tomorrow Zoom session link will be sent to them on mail, and WhatsApp link will also be shared. So they'll have to join tomorrow for that in
Okay,
WhatsApp.
okay.
Ma'am, one second. The group which was formed on WhatsApp is deleted.
Yes, this is what like ma'am has told about it. Basically, the group has been deleted. You will be able to get that group link in your mail by tomorrow.
You will get a
Okay.
new link, a new WhatsApp link, and
New
Zoom session
WhatsApp
link
link
also.
basically will be there.
Okay, ma'am, and today's recording will be shared immediately after the session?
It will
No,
be shared
actually.
tomorrow.
Mm-hmm. It will be shared?
By tomorrow, it will be shared to you in the new group itself. You will be able to see a mail on your Gmail ID or mail ID basically, where a new link will be shared to you for the WhatsApp group. And in that group only, you will be able to access your recordings.
Okay, no, the problem was if I want to practice all this which is being taught today in the session,
Basically, you
I
have to
cannot
take
do
it.
it today. I have to do it tomorrow only after listening to your
Yes,
recording.
yes, you have to go for the recordings only for like today. It's not possible. Each day recordings will be shared to
Hmm.
you by
Next day.
next morning.
Okay, so next day if I practice and if I have any doubts, I can
Then you
clarify
can
them
bring
in
out your
chat.
doubt. No worries, no worries. Actually, what happens now in each and every class, we will try to cover the main topic for the day earlier. Then we will give you time after, like we can say 7:30 or something. Those students who have some any doubts or queries, you want to discuss anything, they can be in the like class only and can bring out their queries, and it can be resolved on the spot.
No, the
But
session is till what time? It is from 6 o'clock till?
6 to 7:30.
So when we practice after 7:30, you will be there in the session?
Actually, what happened now, I'll give you time. Like if you have any queries or something, then you can bring out. And if all queries have been resolved, we will end the session at that time.
Mm-hmm. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, this is something, or there is nothing compulsion like 7:30. If we feel like we have been left with any topic or something, then it can be extended accordingly till 8,
Okay,
right?
okay. Mm-hmm.
Because last 30 minutes have been given us for just to revise or just to solve out the queries. If we
Okay.
have any queries, then we can wait till 8. Otherwise, we can end the session.
Sure, sure. And madam, at the end of the session, can we have a quick recap of what all we have done in today's
Yes,
session?
yes,
That will
yes,
be
I'm
easy
just
for us
coming to
to.
that. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Right now, one thing that I need to discuss is, yeah. So from this share button, we have downloaded all this image in PNG format. But right now, you feel you don't want to get it download. You just want to get it as it is, because after some time you will edit this, right? So there is nothing to save or like anything. It will be auto saved here. For example, by mistakenly you have just deleted this tab, so don't worry. Once you will come back to the Canva and come to this project section, from the left section you can see the project one. Once you will click on this project one, the on the projects that you have worked, so you can see like this, the food post can be opened and you can work wherever you have been left with. So there is nothing, there is autosave option. But if you want to get it download in your device, then you need to just go to share button and get it downloaded. Right now, coming to the queries part, for the like before clearing out the doubt, one thing that I need to tell you, the participants who have uh, cleared each and everything about the today's session, they can leave the session. But before that, I just want to share one thing. Like I'll give you the home task. Like in each day you will be given homework, and you have to cover that, because homework is something that will make you connected with the topic. right, each day. And by completing that homework, you will be able to understand and learn many more things. So homework will be given to you by each day, and you have to complete that by each day, because in the end of this 3 weeks you will be asked to submit whatever you have covered in this 3 weeks, whatever you have designed. So by the end of the 3 weeks you have to submit that whatever you have designed. There is nothing to worry about like it's good or bad. The thing is, whatever you have designed, whatever you have learned, you have to submit by the end of the 3 weeks. So it is compulsorily, like you can say, it is given to you, the homework, and you have to complete that. So for the today's class, the homework is create one food poster and one festival poster, any of your own choice. Like you can take any festival of your own choice, one food poster and one festival poster. This is the homework for the today's class. And by, so sorry. And in the next class, if you have any doubts or something and you want to show me your homework or something, again by completing the tomorrow's topic, by again after the 7:30, I'll be there in the class. You can bring out the doubts or something, right?
Ma'am, I had a query.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we can do it on Microsoft Word too, na?
Microsoft Word is something like that is under MS Office. It is a different tool or a different website.
Okay.
Yes, repeating the homework again. Basically, today's homework is you have to create two poster. One is food post, and the second one is any festival post. How to submit that homework? Basically, you have to just complete your homework by these 3 weeks. By the end of 3 week, you will be given one sheet where you need to submit that, and you will be given the steps regarding the submission or something. So don't worry about that. Right now you just need to focus on completing the every days, each day's task only, food post and festival post. And even before leaving this session, I want to have some feedback related to the today's session as well. So can you please tell, like, how's the today's session? You can
It
share
was great. Yeah, it was
Ma'am,
great.
my name
And
is Zeba, and I would
hello.
like to say that the session was really well. There is a request, ma'am, because there was so much of download of the information. I do not have any background with respect to Canva. I have only heard about it. So, in
Yes.
case you could take a little break, recap what has been done, and then continue with the session, that would be helpful. But then it is applicable only to my learning. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. We will try
Ma'am,
to.
can you please explain about the homework once again?
What you are talking?
Once again, please
Hello.
explain about homework.
See, explaining the homework again. You have to create two posters. One is food post, and second one is any festival post.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, this is
Okay, ma'am.
Nagashri here.
Thank you.
Hello,
Yes. One by one,
this is
please. Yes.
Nagashri here.
Yes. Hi, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yeah. You are audible.
Ma'am, the session was good and the topic covered was also very good. I just want to know one contrary, like how different, what are the different aspects when compared to like we create a lot of posters and other things using different apps. Now in mobile, like we are using through WhatsApp
Many
only, we
more
can add
apps.
so many features. So,
Mm-hmm.
how different it is? What is the unique
See,
in
basically,
this?
what happened, there is uniqueness in Canva is that it is for the pro user as well, and for the fresher as well. Like the person who don't have any idea about the designing, they can just simply come and can choose any of the template, and they can just make changes in that preset design and can get their poster ready. And the person who are pro, so basically for them only, they can access many more apps, and the AI integrations are there. Basically that thing we're gonna cover in day by day, in like coming session we're gonna cover all those things only, like how AI integrations and some of the apps integration is helpful in Canva. So basically it is different, like this is a user friendly app, and it is available like for both users, like those who are in very scratch stage or those who are in advanced stage.
Yeah, that's great. Thanks for the reply, ma'am.
Ma'am, along with Canva, what all will be taught in these sessions?
See, in your mail you can see one PDF will be there, and in that PDF all the curriculum has been given. You just need to go through that.
Day-wise, what all can be taught? Can you just explain briefly to us if you have?
That is given in that PDF only.
Okay,
Like
okay.
in the
Thank you.
next class I'll show you that PDF, and will show you that like lot of participants have been left right now na? So in the next session I'll show you that PDF, and we'll share like each day what things that we're gonna cover, right?
Thank you.
Yeah, Nancy, I have a question. If you have time. Hello.
See? Yes.
Yeah, see, now what I understood, you're getting into graphic design using Canva, right? But my objective was to understand the overall tools available for digital marketing, like how to integrate with
See,
social media
basically this is
platforms,
the
how to
one.
promote. Yeah.
Yes.
So
This
what
is only
percentage
one
of
class.
understand that? So what percentage I would say of this entire learning is on Canva and the rest into the actual marketing learning? Can you just give a ballpark?
Have you gone through that PDF that is related to the
Yeah, I've gone
syllabus?
through the PDF, but I would like to hear from you because you will have more insights into the content, right? So just
Yeah, this is
asking.
the first class that is all about the basic thing, that is graphic designing. Because if we talk about the YouTube marketing, what we need to have our logo, banner, thumbnail. For like for all those things we have to understand what is graphic designing is all about. So basically this is the
Hmm.
basic thing that we have covered in this first day,
Okay.
right?
Hello.
So this is the basic thing, like you have to understand, like graphic is the main thing that we have to understand. That's why it's taken in the day
Got it.
one,
Yeah.
and
Okay.
accordingly it's been taken like you have gone through the PDF, I guess you must have an idea, like according to day what things that
Mm-hmm.
we designed in just curriculum.
Mm-hmm.
Hello, ma'am. Am I
Okay,
audible?
Nancy.
Yes.
Thanks.
I'm Amol. I want to know that can we design in Marathi language? Can I use
Actually,
it?
what happened? Yes, I'm coming to this. Here, I've just written the English word, but you can just simply go to Google, and you can use any of the translator or something from where you
Yeah,
can
yeah.
just copy the Marathi language, and you can paste here.
Yes.
This is
I
the
have.
only thing that you can do.
Yes, I have Marathi font. I want to know that whatever I will design, I can
Hmm.
use Marathi there, na? Is it all
I
right?
can use.
You Marathi font, Marathi language. I can use Marathi language. Is it all right with you, na? Or I have to design it in English?
For homework, you are saying, right?
Yes.
See, you can design, but like I
It will
can't
be better
understand. We
to,
can't
yeah.
understand Marathi language, so we don't have any idea like what you have written or something.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it's good to create in English language, but like some of the poster can be created in Marathi language if you where you are comfortable,
Okay. Okay. No problem.
right? Because
Yes.
we have no
I
idea
know.
about Marathi language, so
Okay.
we
Okay.
can't
No problem.
understand whatever you have
Yes.
written.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, regarding the PDF that you had mentioned,
Yes.
it is
Yes.
sent in the mail. I have not received any PDF regarding the class details,
See,
ma'am.
in the mail you can see we have PDF.
I checked twice. I couldn't find any PDF there.
There
Even
is
right
PDF.
now, before checking with you, I
See,
again went
okay,
and
no
checked.
worries. You can see your PDF and the Gmail. So, like by tomorrow, we have one more WhatsApp group. In the WhatsApp group itself, I'll share the PDF again.
Sure.
Right?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, homework is Instagram post only. And I guess we have many more doubts as well. So, I'm just coming to the doubt one. See, tell me
Excuse me, ma'am.
whose doubts are there. Yes.
Ma'am, we can't use the text in Kannada or some other languages directly in the Canva?
No, we can't do the direct thing. You just need to copy it from some other site and you can just paste there.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Yes. Actually, your voice is not clear. Can you please write your query and whatever you are saying in chat box only?
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, just have a small doubt about the homework.
Yeah.
Like, we need to create an Instagram post on food, on related to food or festival, right?
Yes, yes.
So it's a Instagram post.
Yeah, you can just simply choose Instagram post because I have given you the Instagram post. Why? Basically the size is common that can be used on many other platforms. So this is the basic thing. Like on Instagram post you can just simply create two poster, one is food and one is for festival.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Is it only on Instagram? I mean,
Yeah,
hello?
you can if I have just given you the idea, like on Instagram post you can create, but wherever you feel comfortable you can take that size. There is nothing to worry about. I'm just going to show you I'm just going to see your skill, like what kind of designs you can create only. So there is nothing to worry about the size. It can be Instagram post or anything.
From
Ma'am,
Canva app, get a photos.
It's good if
Canva.
you will choose Instagram post. Yes.
Ma'am, in which format we have to save the project?
Like in coming days we will talk about this, because right now you just focus on completing the home work day by day. By the coming days we're gonna
Ma'am,
talk
when
about
we
this.
practice the today's homework, then we'll have to save that work now.
Basically what happened now in the Canva, it's been auto saved, so you just need to download or something that
Hmm.
can be given to you, it's been auto saved. When we talk about like submission of the task, then it will be told to
There is
you
no
how.
need to download now, ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay, thank you.
like it's not compulsion to get it download. You can download for the safer side, or even you can just simply auto save everything in the Canva, right?
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
Hello, Nancy. This is Ambika here.
See, can you please give me 2 minutes? Can you please give me 2 minutes? I'm coming in 2 minutes. Just for wait for 2 minutes. I'm here just to clearing out your doubts, but give me just 2 minutes.
No, ma'am, do we get it in from Canva, the posters? Do we get that? Hello?
Yes. Now tell me what's your doubt? Someone was asking.
Yeah, hi
Uh,
Nancy. This is Ambika here.
Yes.
My doubt is regarding like this course is the main core of this course is all about digital marketing, right?
Yes, yes.
So after completing this course, do we get any internship or any work kind of thing, freelancing work,
Yes.
networking
Actually, we
help?
will work on many skills. So, according to the skills, you can get the internship, and by the end of these 3 weeks, we will teach you how you can get the internship.
Okay. And we can use the certificate in our resumes also.
Sorry?
We can use the certificate of MSME, the
Yes,
certificate whatever we
exactly.
provide.
This certificate holds a lot basically. So, when it will be added in your CV or resume, then
Hmm.
obviously your CV will boom. So, there is
Oh,
nothing to worry about this. Yeah. Yeah,
yeah.
one constant doubt is there. Just I need to clearing it out. How to verify the text color is perfect tapped in the page? Can you repeat that topic once, please? Yes, basically what happened now, if I'm talking about the color combinations, how you need to verify like it's looking perfect or something. So you need to always keep in your mind Like if you have taken the background dark in the previous example, you can see the background is somehow dark. So we have taken the content in lighter color, like the yellow is lighter color, the white is lighter color, because on the dark background only light combination of the font will be visible. If I'm talking about this yellow one, this is the lighter one, and over it we have to place darker color of text. So this is the vice versa combination you have to choose. Yes, those who
Okay.
have cleared
Regarding
their
homework,
doubts, they can leave the session.
regarding
Yes,
homework,
yes,
hello.
yes. Yeah.
Regarding home, you are given food. Is it food court or food post? I
Food
didn't get
post and one festival post.
food post. Do we
Food,
get these
food,
posters
food.
from Canva? Yeah, yeah.
I'm just sharing
And,
it again in the chat section. Food post and festival post.
no, ma'am. It is okay, but how to download? Do we get it from Canva? The posters,
You don't need to download. You don't need to download right now. You just need to complete.
madam. I didn't get you. Hello.
Yes, yes.
How to like? We need to download some posters now, madam.
No, I'm
Hello.
saying that again and again. You don't need to download any poster. You just need to open your Canva, and by taking Instagram post, you have to make two posters. One is for food and one is for festival. You just need to complete that. You don't need to submit right now or in the next class. By the end of 3 weeks, you have to submit, and by the next 3 weeks, you will be like taught about like how you need to submit about that. So don't worry about this.
So we need to create ourselves, or we need to edit from this Instagram post.
See,
I
basically
didn't.
take any of the template and you need to just change the template accordingly.
Okay.
Yes,
Hello.
Madhumala, are we learning about color therapy and design principles? Today we got explored Canva, yes. Basically, this is all about the color therapy and the design principles. Like, you have to always keep in your mind, if we have like darker background, so you have to take the lighter color things. And if you have lighter background, you have to always try to take darker elements over that. This is the theory that you need to understand only, and by designing, by practicing, you will be able to understand that color theory and the designing principles. There is no hard and fast rule about the principles in therapy. This is the only thing that you have to understand only, right? Now I guess all the
Madam,
doubts have been cleared, so can we leave the session?
madam,
Yes, yes.
sorry, I'm Nandakumar here. Is
Yeah.
it possible for a change in the timing slot?
No, actually
Because
we
6 o'clock
can't change
is
the
too
time
early for us
timings.
to come in traffic and then come home. Is it
No, no.
possible?
This is basically
So
it's been designed for
if we
each
miss
and
some of
every
the
person.
class, or if we miss
No,
some
I
of the
can't let
class or
you
the
in
first
this.
session or
You
something,
can do.
then
You can bring out your queries to the MSME team regarding this,
okay,
but I can say like it's impossible to change the timings.
okay. So because
Thank you so much, the
otherwise if
person
I'm missing
who
some
gave
15 minutes,
this feedback in the chat box. Like, appreciate your patience in answering. The session was great. Thank you so
okay,
much. Uh,
okay.
Most welcome. Okay, so I guess it's time to end the session right now. Like, if you feel
Thank you,
like
ma'am.
still you have any doubts or queries, then you can bring out in the coming session. We have 3 weeks together now, so we can have many more things to discuss in the coming sessions. Okay,
Thank you,
bye bye
ma'am. Thank you,
everyone.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, yes,
okay.
Thank you,
most
ma'am.
welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, it's a great audience.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Nancy. Bye.
Bye bye
Thank you,
everyone.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Your session was great.
Thank you.
Hello.